Hey, today we're going to talk about Screencast-O-Matic and how it can make your life easier when you are doing Webex meetings. So a lot of you have wanted to be able to record your Webex meetings but not have to worry about your kids' faces. So here's what I did. I started in Screencast-O-Matic. You'll need to sign up if you haven't already. And once I'm in Screencast-O-Matic, I will press the record video thingy-mahoozle. Yes, that is the official term. So that the record launchy thingy-mahoozle, another official term, will come up. You can tell that it's going to record when this checkered box comes up. You have a couple of options, screen, webcam, or both. If you want to record your Webex, click screen and screen only. Then I'm gonna click X so I don't have to deal with this giant box in the middle. I can control how big and how small this is. I think the smallest is, 320 by 150. If you wanted to, you could make it pretty big as well. I think you can do the whole screen. And now that we have Screencast-O-Matic open, I'm gonna go into Webex. You have to open Screencast-O-Matic first. It doesn't work if you do it the other way. Webex meeting, hello. Okay, so hi, I'm recording this on my phone. It's the only way I could figure out how to make it work. Technology. And when I click in to my Screencast-O-Matic, which is the little blue circle in a circle, I'm going to see that my little checkered box, I can move it around. So I can move this checkered box around to wherever I want. Now it's not recording yet. You can tell it's not recording yet because it's black and white. If you want it to be recording, you're gonna look for it to be red and white. So candy cane means you're recording, black and white means you're not recording yet. You need to press the bottom record button before it will record. As soon as I press that, it goes red. 3, 2, 1, go! Isn't that cute? I like that. And now that it's candy caned, I can change where it is. So if I wanted it to be just my face, hello, this is just my face. I can move this around. You have to size it before you press record, but once you press record, you can still move it around. So if I wanted it to be, wrong way, this and not my face at all, cool. This is in the video, all of this is not. If I wanted it to be just my face, now this is in the video and this is not. The only thing you might run into, and I haven't had a video long enough to test this out yet, but I'll try it and get back to you guys, is that there is a limit of 15 minutes. So you might have to do more than one video, but I'll test that for you and get back to you. Now I'm gonna press done, save/upload. I can save it as video file, which would save it to my computer, or upload to Screencast-O-Matic. If I really want to, I can also upload it to YouTube. I'm going to save it to Screencast-O-Matic test dumb million. Because that's how many of these tests I have done. And then I will press publish. And it will publish. It will publish faster. I believe in you, Screencast-O-Matic. I believe in you. You are a good computer. See, all you have to do is flatter it. And then I'm going to go back to Chrome. Back to my Screencast-O-Matic page. And here's our test 1,000,000. And when we play it, you will see that it's only what was inside the box.
Oh.
It's not the whole thing.
And now that it's candy cane, I can.
And that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you need me to show you this on your computer, let me know. Hopefully this makes your life just a tiny bit easier, and have a great day. Bye.